What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to use the freeze frame function in DaVinci Resolve. This should be quite an easy tutorial, but if you still have any questions then leave a comment and let me know. After importing the video you wish to edit, drag and drop it into your timeline. Right click it and select Retime Controls, or select it and use the shortcut Ctrl and R. Now you should see this Speed Change banner over the video. Navigate to the point in your footage where you want it to create a freeze frame, click on this arrow and select Freeze Frame. You should now see how the footage on your timeline has extended with a freeze frame. You can drag this indicator to the left or right to change the length, and select this arrow again to remove the freeze frame if you want to. If you wish to learn more about DaVinci Resolve, then check out my tutorial playlist linked below. I hope this helped you out, leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.